In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of a fantastic offer from AI creator Park.com that gives you access to the ElevenLabs creator plan, which might allow you several months of free usage. This is a step-by-step guide designed to be as clear and straightforward as possible, so let's jump right in. First, open your internet browser and head over to AICreatorPark.com. This is the central hub for all the creator tools and services provided by ElevenLabs, and where we'll begin this journey. Once you're on their website, you'll need to sign in. If you're a first-time visitor, you'll see prompts to input your email address and phone number. Make sure to double-check your entries for accuracy to avoid any login issues down the line. Signing in not only lets you explore the site more deeply, but also positions you to claim any special offers available today. Now, once signed in, the next thing you want to do is search for the ElevenLabs Creator Plan offer. This particular offer is designed to kickstart your creative projects by granting you access to top-tier tools without the immediate financial burden. You might spot this feature prominently displayed on the homepage, or you might find it in a section dedicated to deals and offers. While navigating, if you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to check out the FAQ section or contact support for guidance. After locating the offer, it's time to follow the specific instructions laid out to claim it. Typically, this could involve entering a coupon code, which you might have received through a newsletter, promotional email, or even on their social media channels. In some cases, there could be a direct link provided that you need to click on to activate the deal. Pay close attention to these instructions, as a misstep could result in you missing out on this valuable opportunity. A crucial point to remember here is that the availability of this offer can be quite limited, both in terms of time and the number of spots open to users. If the deal is still active while you're visiting the site, it's advisable to act quickly. These kinds of promotions tend to garner significant interest and can sometimes be snapped up faster than you might expect. Hence, quick action is key. As you go through these steps, maintain a keen eye on any confirmation messages or emails. These will often contain vital information about your new access privileges and any next steps you might need to take. And that's it. You're now all set to explore and create without spending a dime for several months if you've managed to snag this fantastic deal. So, best of luck with your creative projects and enjoy the myriad of possibilities the ElevenLabs Creator Plan has to offer.